Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you how to install Windows Millennium Edition on Vmware. First, create a VM with Windows Millennium Edition and select your ISO. ISOs would be in winworldpc.com. But let's get on to it. Anyways, we have to boot from the CD-ROM. Start Windows setup from CD-ROM. Press enter, 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 and enter. Enter, enter. Well, what this do is load up everything. Then just format the virtual drive. Press enter. Press enter, 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 and enter. Enter wherever country or religion, or not religion, region it is. And then Arizona. That's where I am. Anywhere you are at. Then finish, and then we'll do company files. This will take some time, depending on the hardware you put into the system. Okay, then it'll prompt you to restart, so enter. Oh yeah, this happens if you give it too much RAM. I mean, it's Windows Millennium Edition, so make sure you don't give it 2 gigs like I did. I don't know why I put it in Windows 2000 Professional, but put it like 1 gigabyte. Forgot it's still 16-bit programs, but then it'll finish. And it says setting up hardware. You got this little box. You can cover not everything, but like, I mean, you cannot cover the whole black bar, but it's hardware detection right now. Lag is not expected, but like, could be, I don't know. But I'll just keep going, 25, 26, 27, yeah. And it looks like it's going kind of fast. But just wait until this is finished. Okay, then it'll prompt you to this screen. Just put in whatever you want. And put I accept. Frick. Sorry, this is weird. It's glitched. I can't get down to the thing. Oh, it's weird. What the frick? Okay. That is weird. But just I pressed tabbed. But that's fine. But then enter your product key, which you go to WinWorld for that. Just handy, you can't see it because I don't know. Oh wait, yes. And then what you do is go to the Millennium Edition. Don't mind all the blue screens, because yeah. And then copy the serials, which I swear is similar to Windows 98. Press enter after that, and then press finish. Then it'll go through everything, and then they'll prompt you with restart, and then enter. It says completed loading files and crap. And it'll prompt you. It's still kind of bugged. I don't know if it's bugged for you guys. But if it is, just press tab and enter. And arrow keys. But you see it will do everything like this. There's no problem with AMD processors on this, which is good. This will finish when it wants to finish. It'll go like this too. And it would go like this. So just press restart now. And you'll just do the same thing as last time. And then it was prompted with this. And then just put whatever name you can. If you don't want to do it right now, just do cancel. And then it'll just do this canonical ones. It might not do the boot up sound, but then again, that's fine. You can install VMware tools if you need to. But that's all we have for this video. See you in the next one.